Came off the truck.
Smells oil. Kind of frustrating, but whatever. Still very wet out here.
Here's an update to the wall project and the pad that we're building. Just about buttoned up on the wall. We've got to start backfilling and get a lot of this dirt moved out of here. But
it's only 1 course and then a half block on top. It's nothing crazy. I guess total time would probably be like a day. We had to come back though because the delivery guy didn't want to bring the rest of the blocks. So we were like 6 blocks short. And they just put them on in like an hour. Roughly, yeah. Less than an hour. It's kind of frustrating, but whatever. Wet out here. It's gonna be a while before we can like finish grade around here and get it all cleaned up. So right now he's backfilling the top row and then we'll put dirt over that. And it'll look nice and pretty.
Came off the truck.
Smells oil. Feels sticky. I think we should switch that one out.
It's like formal.
Yeah. We need to take that one back.
We got 3 more up there. This one does look like shit. You want to grab that extra block? We're going to swap this one out. It's covered.
now, before any of the wall was installed here, we ran into the gutters of this building and plumbed those out. So we've still got to run those further out. You can see that it's working, but run that pipe further out before we finish up here. This one looks a lot better anyway. I'm not sure what it is, but it's just not a good block either way. This is the berm that we were building. It's about as good as it's gonna get for now. With as wet as this is, it makes it really hard to get anything done. The deer don't seem to mind. But again, all this is supposed to be is a big berm so he can shoot a straight line 200 yards from that garage door you see up there. But we started getting into it, and we weren't very surprised, but all of this material is still holding water pretty good. So made it awful difficult to do anything here. Dude, how close is this thing gonna let me get? Oh. Anyway, I'm sure we'll be coming back to fix what we can of this. But not for now. Pretty rough. And we did pull quite a bit of material out of this hump here and add it to the pile behind us, but now this is a big swampy mess too.
We buried the high lifts very deep. It used to all be pond slop from the pond that we dug over there and we brought it over here. And it's been drying for like 2 years. But whenever we came in, like the top layer was dry because we were making it into a shooting range, which is why I had this big mound of dirt that we're standing on. But when we were trying to do it, the underneath was still really wet, so we just got stuck a bunch. And our machines were caked with mud. And then it rained for a week, so now we have this wet mess. But we're supposed to have a full week of dry weather. So hopefully it dries up and we can finish it. Yeah. Hopefully we don't get stuck anymore because it's not fun. I am sad. I'm sad. Because I wanted it to be nice. I don't like when things aren't nice. It's not our fault, but I mean, what can you do, really? You gotta wait. I really want a plane. I think I'm gonna go get my pilot's license.